Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by readying your device so it wastes as little power as possible. Reduce screen brightness to 30% to cut display power usage immediately. Turn on airplane mode to stop cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth radios from draining battery. Disable vibration and haptic feedback so motors do not use power. Set mail to fetch manually and disable push notifications and background app refresh. Close all non-essential apps and force quit background tasks before you leave the device idle. Now engage built-in power-saving features to extend standby time significantly. Enable low power mode or battery saver to restrict background activity, automatic downloads, and visual animations. Turn on system grayscale and reduce motion to lower GPU and CPU demands while idle. Limit location services to while using or turn them off entirely for specific apps. Disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi scanning so the radios do not pulse frequently for networks and devices. Keep automatic app updates turned off while conserving battery. Finally, manage environment and minimal usage to maximize standby without charging. Keep the device between 32 degrees F and 95 degrees F to avoid accelerated battery drain and thermal stress. Avoid heavy CPU tasks like video playback or gaming that prevent deep sleep states. If you must check the device, use quick, brief interactions to allow it to return to idle. When very low, consider a partial charge to about 20% using a power bank to stabilize battery chemistry and preserve long-term standby capability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.